student, now we are going to start compound epithelium of animal tissues or epithelial tissue. So compound epithelium is multi-layered cells are there. So there are many cells one above the another. So this is the cells arrangement. So here are one layer cell, second tier of cell, third tier, fourth tier, and many tiers of the cells. This is to form multi-layer structure. So multi-layer is arrangement in compound epithelium. So there are two categories. So cells are, first is stratified and another is transitional epithelium. So stratiepithelium, the basal layer of the cells are made up of cuboidal. They are cuboidal. So there are four types of stratified epithelium. First is stratified squamous, second stratified cuboidal, third one stratified columnar, and fourth stratified ciliated. So first start from stratified squamous. So stratified squamous is the squamous layer, polygonal cells with rounded nuclei. So it is arrangement like a pavement, but so there are arrangement to form arrangement one above to form multi-layer squamous cells. So multi-layer squamous cells are in two categories. One is keratinized, another is non-keratinized. So keratinized layer, so there is the multi-layered formed through the division. So the outer layer replaced with the hard waterproof a protein called keratin. So keratin, which form the hard layer, that layer is called horny layer. So it present in palm, epidermis of skin, etc. So this became, so the skin become hard. So outer layer, that layer is called so outer layer of skin is called stratum corneum. So stratum corneum where the deposition of the keratin which become dead, and dead cells set off because so due to presence of keratinized and keratin. And non-keratinized, so keratin is not found, it present in pharynx, cervix and cervix. So another one is the stratified cuboidal. Cells are cuboidal in natures but multi-layer. So it present in inner larynx, inner layer of salivary and parotid duct. Another one stratified columnar. Cells are columnar in cells but multi-layered. Another it present in epiglottis, and another is stratified ciliated. So cilia are present over there. So this is next, the cells are transitional epithelium. Next one is transitional epithelium. Transitional epithelium. Now transitional epithelium present in the highly stretchable organ. It is make the elasticity. So it present in uterus, urinary bladder, urethra. So these organs possess transitional epithelium. So they are stratified in epithelium. They are stratified epithelium. Okay. Also, this is also called plastic epithelium. Also called highly stretchable. First scale. This is highly stretchable. Stretchable and elastic. This is also called what I told? Plastic. This is also called plastic epithelium. Plastic epithelium. Plastic. Up now it is example. Urethra, uterus, urinary bladder. When the urine are filled, so it become highly stretchable. So more than 300 ml of it become stretchable. So urinary bladder. So this is okay. Then another one is functional classification of epithelial tissue. Functional. Now this is functional classification classification of epithelial tissues. So this is before that the structural classification. Now we are functional classification. Functional level classified the epithelium. First is germinal epithelium. First is germinal epithelium. Germinal epithelium. Germinal epithelium. Germinal epithelium. Second, germinal epithelium. Germinal epithelium. Second, pigmented epithelium. Pigmented epithelium. Pigmented epithelium. Third one, myoepithelium. Myoepithelium muscles में myoepithelium. Next है sensory epithelium. Sensory epithelium. Sensory epithelium. Sensory. Next है absorptive epithelium. Absorptive epithelium. Next, glandular epithelium. Glandular epithelium. So this is the germinal epithelium. So germinal epithelium present in the testis and ovary. So testis and ovary. The testis contains seminiferous tubules. On the wall of the seminiferous tubule, germinal epithelial cells are present. This germ cells produce the spermatozoa. So help in sperm. So ovary, the germinal layer produce the follicle cells. Inside the follicles, eggs are produced. Pigmented epithelium present the retina of the eye. So retina. So myoepithelium muscle cells. So few muscle cells होते हैं. Mammary glands and sweat gland. So sweat gland is called myoepithelium. Next, sensory epithelium found in the retina of eye. Absorptive epithelium found in the nephron of kidney, जो kidneys nephrons होते हैं. And glandular epithelium. So glandular epithelium is a gland. So all glands are formed by the epithelial tissue. It is clear. So all glands are produced or formed by epithelial cell. So this is all about the functional aspect of functional classification of epithelial tissue. So functional wise it is classified. So we already discussed about the compound epithelium. So nature of the compound epithelium, cells are the compound and the stratified squamous, cuboidal, columnar, ciliated, and then the transitional epithelium, so which is highly stretchable and elastic, also called plastic epithelium. So this is all about related to the epithelial tissue, both structural wise classification and functional wise. And now we come to the glandular epithelium. So we separate. So in next class we will discuss about the glandular epithelium. What is the gland? Which type of glands form? Unicellular gland, multicellular, and nature of the gland. How it secretes. Which part of the cells are damaged to secrete the cells. So it will be discussed in next class. Okay. Thank you.